Hey viewers, welcome to Excel Tips and Tricks. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to efficiently select data in Excel. First, I will show you how to select single row. Place the cursor on any row number on the left-hand side of the sheet. When it changes to an arrow shape, click the left mouse button. This will select the entire row. You can also select the entire row by pressing Shift plus spacebar. This will select the entire row. Similarly, place the cursor on any column letter at the top of the spreadsheet. When it changes to an arrow shape, click the left mouse button. This will select the entire column. Now, if you want to select specific cells, then put your mouse cursor on the first cell from where you want to start your selection. For example, if I want to select cells from B1 to H10, I press the left mouse button and drag the cursor to cell H10. This will select the cells between B1 and H10. After that, if you want to select the entire sheet, go to the top left corner of the sheet and place the cursor between the row numbers and column letters. Click with the mouse, and the entire sheet will be selected. And you can also select the entire blank sheet by pressing Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. Now, you can see that I have a sample data table that I have already created in MS Excel. When I place the cursor at the top, bottom, left, or right of any cell, a four-way arrow cursor appears. When it does, hold the Shift key and double-click with the mouse to select the entire row. And do the same thing for columns. Hold the Shift key and double-click on the bottom cell with the mouse to select the entire column. You can also select a column using the keyboard. Place the cursor in any cell, then press Shift plus Ctrl plus down arrow key to select the column downward until it finds an empty cell. Similarly, use Shift plus Ctrl plus up arrow key to select the column upward. And place the cursor in any cell, then press Shift plus Ctrl plus left arrow key to select the previous row cells until it finds an empty cell. Similarly, use Shift plus Ctrl plus right arrow key to select forward row cells. Now I will show you how to select non-adjacent columns in MS Excel. Place the cursor on the top column letter, hold the Ctrl key, and single-click with the mouse. It will select the entire column. Then, place the cursor on another column letter and click on it to select. Bingo, we did it. Similarly, to select non-adjacent rows, hold the Ctrl key and click on the row numbers. This will select the non-adjacent rows. Now I will show you how to select the entire table. Select any cell inside the table, then press Ctrl plus A to select the whole table. Now, I will show you how to select rows using the name box. Click on the name box located at the top left corner of your Excel worksheet. Then, type the cell address ranges you want to select, separated by comma, and press Enter. This will select the specified rows. And, if you want to select columns, then, type desired column range, and press Enter. This will select the specified columns. Now, I will show you how to select different columns using the keyboard. Place the cursor in any cell within the column you want to select. Then press Ctrl plus spacebar. This will select the entire column. If you found this tutorial helpful, then share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.